to be because it rains so much in Seattle.
That's right.
You know, just clearing the air constantly, right?
That's a good point, Suze.
You know, speaking of rain, we could have a dangerous downpour tomorrow. We'll be talking about that, yeah.
That's right, Dani.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So we have the significant storm, Susie and Juan, it's on the way. And the focus, the window for that, it's still going to be Wednesday night into Thursday. So all of our models, they've been really consistent with the timing. So we can confidently say it's going to be in that Wednesday night to Thursday morning time frame. Today, though, it was rainy, it was dreary out there. This was storm number one. And just as expected, it didn't do a whole lot, but it did bring us some rain today. We've got some lingering showers out there. Some of that right now through areas like Temecula into Murrieta, but all of that is starting to move away. The focus for the rain, it really was to the south of us because that cutoff low just moved by just to the south of us. So now we are gearing up for storm number two. And this is the one that we've been talking about. This is the powerful storm that is going to bring us the potential for heavy rain. So storm number two, Wednesday into Thursday, heavy rain and thunderstorms. And the concern is that we're going to see a burst of rain as this cold front moves through. This is going to happen Wednesday night where we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain even in a matter of hours. That is when we are concerned with flooding. And on top of all that, we're not just talking rain, we're not talking thunderstorms, but we are talking dangerous mountain travel because of the heavy snow that we're going to see up in the mountains. Blowing snow is going to make things a little bit dangerous up there. So let's talk timing. I mean, this is the important part, is when we see the heavy rain move through. So by around sunrise tomorrow till around 8:30, we've got some prefrontal showers. So before that front gets here, we've got some light to moderate rain that develops during the day tomorrow. It's not going to be widespread and nonstop, but we've got some scattered showers. It will be wet out there. It's going to be on the light side. We'll see plenty of clouds. It's going to be a cool day. You can see those on and off showers. Now, let me take you to that cold front, and it's very clear when that moves through. This is a well-defined cold front, very similar to what we saw with that February 13th storm. There's that heavy rain. Boom, it hits Ventura County between 10 and midnight. So this is 10 o'clock tomorrow night until midnight. Then that cold front makes its way into LA County. And as this cold front moves through, this is when we see those heavy, steady rain showers where we could see those peak rainfall rates up to 1 inch per hour. So that will make its way into Orange County and the Inland Empire. This is 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. We've got heavy rain moving in there, heavy mountain snow as snow levels start plummeting down to 3,000 feet. We're still seeing that moderate rain 4 to 4:30 in the morning on Thursday. And then once we get to Thursday, in the daytime, we're still going to see some on and off showers, even some thunderstorms that could bring hail, brief heavy downpours, but we're not going to be looking at the steady rain like what we are seeing Wednesday night into Thursday. So because of all that, we have flood watches all across the board. I mean, flooding is possible anywhere. It's going to be likely that we see some flooding on the roadways. It's going to be a tough Thursday morning commute, and we could see those peak rainfall rates 1/2 inch to 1 inch per hour. When we're dealing with rainfall rates like that, that's what could trigger some of the flash flooding or even the mudslides or the debris flows that we could see some near some of our recent burn areas. So after storm number two, we are still looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. That's going to be possible. Heavy snow up in the mountains. I mean, 1 to 2 feet of snow above 7,000 feet, 6 to 12 inches above 5,500 feet. And with that, we've got snow levels lowering to 3,000 feet, which is why, yeah, we're going to see some impacts along the Grapevine by Thursday morning. So just keep that in mind if that's your normal travel. Inland Empire going into tomorrow, we're going to see those on and off showers during the day, mostly cloudy. This is all ahead of that burst of rain that moves in Wednesday night to Thursday. And on top of that, it's going to feel even cooler than today. We're looking at highs in the 50s and the 60s. So once we get through the storm tomorrow, we see another pop Friday, but it's not going to be a huge rainmaker. And we're also tracking the potential for more rain Sunday night into Monday. It's going to stay cool the rest of the week, highs in the 50s and 60s, drying out Saturday during the day on Sunday. So the weekend looks pretty good. Still on the chilly side, but we get the sunshine. Valleys, 60s Wednesday, heavy rain Wednesday night to Thursday. We're still dealing with the rain Thursday, and then we'll get sunshine on Saturday. For folks in the Inland Empire, 60s, even 70s this weekend. Beaches are going to be in the 50s Thursday, Friday. Snow up in the mountains with highs only reaching the 30s by then. So we're going to keep a very close eye on this, Susie and Juan.
Dani, thank you so much.